Hello traders, welcome back to Trading Life Masters. This is Zicheng here, one of the lecturers in Trading.life. In this video, I'm going to teach about change of character. Previously, I taught about break of structure, so I hope you can watch that video first before watching this video. Before we start, I hope you can first press the like button, share it with your friends, and lastly, subscribe. Thank you for the support and let's get started. Before we jump on to how to spot the change of character in the live charts, we first have to understand what is change of character. So change of character, as you can see in short form, it is called the ChoCh. It is the ChoCh, which means change of character. So what is change of character? Change of character is also known as a change in sentiment. So for example, bullish is a character. Bearish is also a character. If you want to talk about a change of character, it would mean a change from bullish character to a bearish character. So what about the bearish? Bearish is also a character. So a change from bearish character to bullish character is called the change of character. Let me first illustrate it in arrows on how to identify change of character. Let's start with the uptrend first. So we have uptrends. Price is making higher highs, and if you have followed my video previously, these are all the breakout structures. New high is formed. So what is change of character? We have an uptrend, and suddenly once price touches this area, it started to reverse and broke the previous low. So this is where we call the change of character. Let me relabel it first. So we call it the ChoCh right here. Let me make it smaller. So this is where we call the ChoCh. It is a bullish trend, but suddenly once price touches this area, it broke the previous low and it did not make a new high and continue to make lower lows. So this is where we call the change of character for a bullish trend to a bearish trend. Right now, let's discuss the bearish trend. So we have a bearish trend. Price is making lower highs and lower lows, breaking structure, the BOS, break of structure. And suddenly, once price reaches this point, it started to break the previous lower high and formed a new higher high. And it continued to go uptrend, forming new higher highs and higher lows. So where is the change of character? The change of character would be here. This is the one that it broke. Okay, it broke it and formed a new higher high. So we can see that it was a bearish trend and there was a change of character into a bullish trend. So this is change of character illustrated in arrows. If you don't understand, don't worry. We'll be heading into the live charts on how to identify them. This is the Euro USD daily chart. So we can see we had a downtrend. So price is forming lower lows and lower highs like this. And look what happened. We are supposed to form a new lower low. We have a retracement back up, a lower high. We are supposed to form something lower if it decides to continue the downtrend. But what happened? Look what happened. Price reversed back up and broke this high. Can everyone see this? It broke this high. So this is the area of change of character, and look what happened. It changed and continued to the uptrend. So we would call this the valid change of character. So let's label it ChoCh, change of character. So this is from a downtrend, from a bearish character, changing into a bullish character, forming new higher highs and higher lows. Previously, it was lower lows and lower highs. That is the character of a bearish trend. Then it changed to higher highs and higher lows, which is the character of a bullish trend. Let's have another look at another example. So we have the USD JPY on the daily chart. So we had an uptrend previously. We can see price is forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, high lows. So now what we're expecting price to form a new higher high because it's an uptrend. But look what happened. Instead, price went up but pushed down and break past this previous higher low and formed a new lower low. So this is the area where we call the change of character, which is the ChoCh right here. And look what happened. Once the ChoCh happened, price started making new lower highs and new lower lows and continued to the downtrend. But everyone, let me remind you this. We cannot solely use ChoCh to trade reversals. Although it looked very perfect over here, but there are many times if you just solely rely on ChoCh itself, you are going to have a lot of losing trades. So make sure to add extra confirmations. For example, divergence or any strategy that you have, just use ChoCh as one of the confirmations. So I really hope that you understand how to identify ChoCh is just a change of character from bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish. Here comes to the end of this video. I hope you have learned about change of character and how to identify them. Let me remind you once again, please do not take reversal trades the moment you spot change of character. You still have to combine it with other confirmations. Besides that, I have daily live streams hosted in Trading Live. So if you are interested, feel free to join me there. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye and trade safe.